It's good to see you here. This is the life, and you can change the world, save our souls, all of our sins. Oh, start over again now. It's like a second chance to win. Thanks for all the love you bring, little one. A Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. 12/24, a Christmas baby born. Even his name was Chris. Can you imagine that? That's okay. Christmas baby.